Hello students, I am your geography teacher Vandana Joshi. Students, today we are going to start our geography with the book The Fundamental of Physical Geography, in which we will study the first chapter, Geography as a Discipline. So students, before going to start this chapter, first we have to look upon our syllabus. Geography. Student, this book is containing total 6 units, in which the first unit is Geography as a Discipline. In this chapter, we will read what is geography, what is its history, why we are studying geography, and what are the branches and uses of geography. Student, as the second unit is the Earth. In this unit, we will study the origin and evolution of the Earth, means to say the history of the formation of our Earth. The second is interior of the Earth. In this, we will see after formation what was the interior and now what is the interior of the Earth. And the next chapter is distribution of oceans and the continents. Student, our next unit, unit 3 is containing the landform. In landform, we will study these 3 chapters, in which first is minerals and rocks. In this chapter, we will study the formation and the distribution of minerals and rocks. In the next chapter, geomorphic process. In geomorphic process, we will study about the structure and the formation of the earth. In the next, the landforms and their evolution. Student, the unit 4 is climate. Already the unit 4 climate you have studied in your 9th class. But in this class, we will study more about the climate, in which we will study about the composition and structure of atmosphere. Next, the solar, radiation, heat balance and the temperature. Next, atmospheric, circulation and weather system. Water in the atmosphere and world climate and climatic changes. Which unit 5 is water. In this chapter, we will study about the water, the distribution of ocean and the movement of ocean water. In the movement of ocean water, we will study about the oceanic currents and waves. The last, unit 6, life on the earth. As many times you have studied about the ecosystem, biodiversity and many things. The same things in a vast material we will study in this chapter, life on the earth. This unit is containing 2 parts, life on the earth and the biodiversity and conservation, in which we will study about the ecology, ecosystem, environment, our resources and its conservation. So let's start the first chapter, the fundamentals of physical geography. Students, one question is there, what is the meaning of fundamental? So the fundamental is the meaning of fundamental is basic and important, or you can say from which everything else develops. So the basic meaning of fundamental is, the meaning of fundamental is basic and important, from which everything else develops. So student, one more question is there, what is the meaning of geography and where it came from? So the word geography came from the Greek word geo plus graphy. Its meaning is geo is earth and the graphy is to write about. So here we can say geography is the study of earth in which we will write about the earth. So let's see the proper meaning of geography. So the meaning of geography is the study of variations and associations of the feature on the earth. The earth consists of physical and cultural features, and they are different from one place to another. So, student, as you have seen, the meaning of geography is the study of variations and associations of the features on the earth. The earth consists of physical and cultural features and they are different from one place to another. So here in the chapter we will study about the fundamental geography, means to say the basic but most important thing in our subject geography.
So students, before starting the lesson, Geography as a discipline, let's have a look upon its subtopics. This is containing total 7 topics. First is Introduction and Definition of Geography. Second, Geography as an integrated discipline. Third, Physical Geography and Natural Science. Fourth, Geography and Social Science. Fifth, Branches of Geography. Sixth, Physical Geography and its importance. And the last, conclusion. So students, let's start the first topic. Earth is our home. Different types of elements are seen all around here, in which soil, vegetation, mountains, rivers, plains, etc. are found. Some of these are parts of nature, while some have been created by humans in collaboration with nature. These elements of nature are called natural elements, whereas the element created by human is called human element or cultural element. Why did this difference in natural and cultural element arise? What is the pattern of these elements on earth? And what is the reason behind their origin? We get information about this in geography. Students, The term geography was first used by the Greek scholar Eratosthenes in 276 to 194 BC. As I told you earlier, the word geography is made up of two words in the Greek language, geo and grapho, which means to describe the earth. It gives information about the interfunctional relationship between the physical environment of the earth and human actions. Scholars define geography as the description of the earth as the abode of human beings. The physical geography is an important branch of geography because it provides a solid foundation for the study of all the parts of geography. That is why many disciplines from natural science such as geology, pedology, oceanography, botany, zoology, and a number of sister disciplines in social science such as economics, history, sociology, political science, anthropology, etc., study different aspects of the Earth's surface. The study of geography is necessary for us because the study of geography gives us an idea of the variations found in human society. So here I am giving the definitions given by various scholars which you have to write in your notebooks. According to Ptolemy, geography is a representation of the whole known world together with the phenomena which are contained therein. According to Richard Hartshorne, geography is concerned with the description and explanation of the areal differentiation of the Earth's surface. Number 3, it is according to Leonard Kristelka. It is geography is the science of place. Its vision is grand, its view panoramic. It sweeps the surface of the earth, charting the physical, organic and cultural terrains, their areal differentiation and their ecology dynamics with humankind. Its foremost tool is the map. And the fourth one is according to Hettner. It is geography studies the differences of phenomena usually related in different parts of the Earth's surface. So student, as we studied that geography is the study of Earth's surface, so here geography is concerned with 3 sets of questions. Question number 1. Some questions are related to the identification of the patterns of natural and cultural features as found over the surface of the earth. These are the questions about what? Second, some questions are related to the distribution of the natural and human cultural features over the surface of the earth. These are the questions about where. Take together both these questions take care of distributional and locational aspects of the natural and cultural features. These questions provided inventorized information of what features and where located. It was a very popular approach during the colonial period. These 2 questions did not make geography a scientific discipline till the 3rd question was added. And the third is related to the explanation or the causal relationships between features and the process and phenomena. This aspects of geography is related to the question why. Geography as a discipline is related to takes note of the associations and interrelationships between the phenomena resulting from the dynamic interaction between human beings and their physical environment. But how does it possible? For these answers, let's move to the next topic, geography as an integrating discipline.